Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel, we provide the in-depth knowledge of different programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, etc., which differentiate you with others. Today we are seeing one typical problem when we try to change the base address of the array in C language. Basically, we are trying to discuss one question here. We are trying to access the array element using pointer notation. So let's start. This is very important question and try to understand what I am teaching. Guess the output of the program. Hash include stdio.h void main int arr 10 20 30 40 50. What is arr here? Arr is an array of type integer in which we are initializing the value 10 20 30 40 50. As we know, array elements are always stored in a continuous memory location. So how many elements are in this array? 5 elements are there in this array and 20 bytes will be stored in a continuous memory location, and name of the array gives the base address of the array that we have already discussed. Then we are writing int I equal to 0, for I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus printf percentage I value at arr I. What we are trying to do, we are trying to access the array elements using pointer notation. Name of the array gives the base address of the 0th element of the array. And when we try to add 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the output of this program will be, let's check it out. I think output of this program will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It is taking some time. This is Visual Studio. So here we are getting the output 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now suppose if I remove this plus I here, then I will try to get the output. Then what I will get? Let's see. So we are getting 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 means we are getting the 0th element because value at arr. Arr is what? Arr is the name of the array. Name of the array gives the base address of the 0th element of the array. Here 0th element is 10. So when I am writing value at arr, so what we are getting? We are getting 10. No doubt. Now when I try to increment that arr plus plus. Arr plus plus means arr is equal to arr plus 1. So if this statement is allowed in C language, then what happens? The statement which we have discussed just few minutes ago, the name of the array gives the base address of the array, or you can say name of the array gives the base address of the 0th element of the array. If compiler allowed arr plus plus, then what happens? Arr will hold the address of the 2nd element of the array or the 1st element of the array. If we talk about 0 1, so it will hold the address of 20. Then the statement which we have discussed just few minutes ago, the name of the array gives the base address of the 0th element of the array. Now we have to change that statement. What? The name of the array gives the base address of the 1st element of the array. So if compiler allow once, so it can allow n number of times. तो arr plus plus करते करते आप कहाँ तक चले जाओगे? There is no limitation. So as we run arr plus plus, what happens? Let's check it out. When we try to run this program, then what happens? We are getting an error. L value required as increment operand arr plus plus. Means compiler doesn't allow to change the base address of the array at any cost. Why? Because one thing you know very well, C is only possible array को एक्सेस करने के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एड्रेस कौन सा है? द बेस एड्रेस. Because bound checking is programmer's duty. Compiler is not keeping any track of bound checking. So this bound checking is programmer's duty. तो अल्टीमेटली अगर arr प्लस प्लस कर देगा तो फिर कंपाइलर को क्या ट्रैक रखना पड़ेगा कि arr के इधर राइट हैंड साइड में 4 एलिमेंट्स हैं और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 1 एलिमेंट है. अगर arr प्लस प्लस एक बार और करने दे देगा तो इट विल होल्ड द एड्रेस ऑफ 30. तो कंपाइलर हैव टू कीप द ट्रैक कि 30 के राइट हैंड साइड में 2 एलिमेंट है और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 2 एलिमेंट है. तो दिस इज फिजिकली नॉट पॉसिबल. तो ये सब झंझट से दूर उसने क्या बोला कि व्हेन वी ट्राई टू चेंज द बेस एड्रेस ऑफ द एरे आई विल फ्लैश एन एरर एल वैल्यू रिक्वायर्ड. नाउ द सेम प्रोग्राम इफ वी मॉडिफाई, इफ वी स्टोर द एड्रेस इन अ पॉइंटर वैल्यू एट p इज इक्वल टू ARR, और यहाँ पे मैं क्या कर देता हूँ वैल्यू एट p and here I will try to increment p++. Then what happens? Let's check it out. Now this program is running fine. Why? Because now we are holding that address of the 0th element in another pointer p. Now this 10 is a value which is pointed by ARR as well as p. P is holding the base address of the 0th element of the array as well as ARR is also holding the base address of the 0th element of the array. P is a pointer to an integer, ARR is a pointer to an integer. अब जब आप p++ करोगे तो compiler will allow that. Why? Because p is not a name of the array, it is not pointing to the 0th element, it is pointing but actually it is not a name of the array. So we can increment or decrement a pointer. Getting more point? Now when I write value at ARR here, this is something different, don't get confused now. Here we are not changing the sorry, here we are not changing the base address. Here what we are doing, we are adding 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the base address. Then also we will get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Getting my point? And increment depend upon what? Type of the pointer. Whenever a pointer is incremented or decremented, we have already discussed in the pointer class. It means whenever a pointer is incremented or decremented, it always points to the next location of its type. So ARR is what? ARR is the name of the array. Name of the array of which type? Int type. Name of the array gives the base address of the 0th element of the array. In one dimension, 0th element is an integer. So name of the array is nothing but a pointer to an integer. And when we add 1 to the pointer to an integer, it will increment 4 bytes. Why? Increment depend upon the type of the pointer. So ARR is a pointer to an integer. So it will increment 4 bytes, rather 10 bytes or 2 bytes or 1 byte. Getting my point? So moral of the story is कि we cannot change the base address of the array at any cost. We cannot what? Compiler will not allow to change the base address of the array. Why? Base address means the starting address, because the base address is the only way to access the array elements. If we lose the base address, then what happens? Something known as memory leak will happen. Means we are having the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 at a particular location, but there is no way to access them. This situation is known as memory leak. The compiler doesn't allow to change the base address of the array at any cost. Getting my point? Now let's discuss something. Here we have written sorry, whenever we mention the name of the array, we get the base address of the array. This thing we have already discussed few minutes ago. Whenever we mention the name of the array, we get the base address of the array. Therefore, first time through the loop, the printf should print the value at the base address when we try to display value at ARR. There is no problem up to this. The problem lies in the next statement when we tried ARR++, means when we tried to change the base address of the array. Since C does not perform bound checking on an array, bound checking means boundary array, कि how many elements वो ultimately वो क्या करेगा, access करते जाएगा. Compiler will not flash any error if you try to access elements more than you have declared. अब ये प्लस पॉइंट बोलिए या माइनस पॉइंट बोलिए सी में. Whereas in other languages like Java, you will get an error, index out of bound. Either in VB you will get subscript notation out of bound, whereas in C and C++ you will not get any error. The problem lies in the next statement when we tried ARR++. Since C does not perform bound checking on an array, the only thing that is remembered about an array once declared is the base address, and the ARR++ attempts to change the base address, which C does not allow, because if it does so, it would be unable to remember the beginning of the array. If it does so, it would be unable to remember the beginning of the array. Anything which can be changed is called L value in the compiler's language. Since value of ARR cannot be changed through plus plus, it flashes an error L value required. So it is flashing an error L value required. Go through this. Any doubt you can ask me. This is very important in terms of interview as well as in terms of programming. Means moral of the story is we cannot change the base address of an array. If you like the contents of the channel, please like, share and subscribe as much you can. It will motivate us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.